YouTube, what's going on? Happy Tuesday, guys. We in the booth. Opening bell about to happen in about 4 minutes. Got my context for my 6 a.m. 4-hour candle. Currently in that trade on the practice account. Path of least resistance is currently to the downside, so I wasn't looking at taking this live or combine. So yeah, man, just waiting for the 10 o'clock candle to close. See what we're gonna have. And get prepared to attack, man. Today is Veterans Day. Shout out to all my veterans out there. Appreciate you guys. So the bond market is closed, so it might be a little bit low volume today. So we will be cautious of that. Little update from yesterday's trade. We did take some wins yesterday, restore some accounts. We're about 2 days away from passing these combines we have on deck. World of Live Funding continues. We'll have these accounts crossed over this week, and then we'll be headed to the road, man. One thing I want you guys to learn about our road to live funding is that it's a consistent grind. You learn a lot. You don't get discouraged. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, we've been building accounts, losing accounts, but overall the goal remains the same, and that's how you ultimately hit the goal. You stay persistent and consistent, man. So we're here, guys. About to catch Top Step for the opening bell. I'll be right here, man. Just get my notes taken. So we're here, guys.
Joel. Again, all eyes and ears waiting for perhaps a resolution, a deal to be done in Washington, D.C. for the stopgap bill. But anyways, get the government back up and running. All right, here we go. A little buying coming here in the ES, 68.45. Overnight view up, 68.48. Dow. Continue to push higher here. All buyers in the first few seconds of the New York session. New highs in the Dow, 47,559. Aaron, just jump in when you're good to go because I want to get your take on where gold is at. Currently trading 41.38. When you're good to go, come on in. A little buying rejected here in the NQ. And Jacob Trades is a NASDAQ trader.
Yes,
may seem in tuxedo. You may see him on a cruise ship.
Mm-hmm.
You never know. You just never know where you might find him. We got crew trading $60.81. Jack, you're good to go. Let us. Oh, Jack gets back here. Let's take on the.
I'll be back in 5 minutes. I gotta get this fixed.
Roger
that. You guys hear me?
There you are, Aaron. Yes. Hello, my friend. Gold. Thoughts on gold? Overnight highs 41.53 or so. We're about 200, 240 bucks away from all-time highs, but we finally got out of that range. There's a big magnet at 4,000 in gold. Last week and a half seems to found some buyer stepping in here. So how's the gold trade been the last week or so, Aaron?
It's been good. It was a pretty tough week last week. You're in a pretty big range, but when we opened this week in Sunday, we saw a absolutely huge push. I think yesterday closed like over 1,000 tick push. So we did get some nice buys in our London session this morning. So thank you for you guys who are tuning in. We did get a nice push. I did also see the guys here did just take some nice buys around this 4,150 level, which I did like as well. But you just had a pretty decent sell-off here on gold. So to be honest, I'm watching to see if we bounce from these lows. With how bullish we closed it yesterday, I'm not really interested in any downside on gold. I'm just waiting to see if gold can, maybe pull back, grab some lows, and then continue buying. So I'm looking for longs on gold today. I'm looking for longs.
Okay, bullish. Gold. Last trade in gold, right around the lows, but buck off the lows at 41.35 now. Last trade there. Take a look at the tilt. Nothing really jumping off the page in the tilt. Jacob, question for you. Do you come in when the bell rang? The bell just rang about 3 minutes ago. Do you come in with a lean? Are you leaning perhaps long or shorts? Does that ever happen to you, or you just wait for the market and wait for market to generate information before you do take? Like, did you come in today with a bias, either bullish or bearish?
No, I just wait. Yeah, I'm just very patient. I wait and I adapt with the market.
Interesting. Yep. So I like that. Pretty muted open here. New lows in gold. More selling here in gold. What do you think really moving? 41.31. You got any levels? Prices of interest, Aaron? I know you work off.
Yeah.
But we're continuing to see some selling. More selling coming here. 41.30 now.
All right, guys. Watching this candle, as you can see, buyers did show up at opening bell. As I was just telling my partner, if this candle does close as a change of move to the upside, I'm going to go ahead and confirm that the path of least resistance is going to be to the upside based on the 4-hour time frame. And then we'll be looking at buys off of this 68.40, 68.35 area, which was actually my TP target yesterday. So it makes sense. We were under yesterday. We're trading above it. Should hold as demand. And then we go from there. But got about 26 more minutes before this candle closes. So we're just sitting tight, guys, right here.
So, to me, it's a level where I would be looking to see if buyers step in from here. I'm not really interested in any shorts, but to be honest, around where we are right now, around this 41.30 level, is a good area to see if we can find some support. And I like 41.55 for upside.
41.55. But it should be overnight highs. Last trade 41.31. Everything else pretty muted right now. NASDAQ right back to 25,600. Seeing a little bit of buying coming in here back up to the 615s. ES 68.44. Last trade there. Take a look at the schedule really quick. Waiting for Williams to speak. Got a bunch of Fed speakers this morning. We got Williams supposed to start about 15 minutes ago. We got Paulson top of the hour. Waller 9:20 a.m. Central, and then we got Besant scheduled to speak. That is Treasury Secretary at 9:45 a.m. Central Time. We got more speakers. We got Boston. We got Myron. We got a 10-year auction. Boy, it's going to be a front-loaded morning here in the markets. Weekly kickoff high, by the way. Gold is 41.27. We're above that. So we see some support around 41.27 as we trade 41.32.
I prefer the look of NQ coming into this morning, to be honest. I like NQ longs here opposed to gold. I know it's not a good sign, is it? But
I love it. No, I love. Hey, a chart's a chart. What's okay? I love this. What are you seeing here in the NQ, the Nasdaq? 25.62 low last trade.
So we were looking at this in the London session. These are the levels here. Anywhere from 25,500 to 25,750. I like NQ to come back up into this 25,750 level. This current hourly here, sort of like what I call a morning star play, looking like we're going to break back higher. So I like NQ to pull back up into this 25,660 level. If we can get a little bit of volume here, I do like this NQ. I very rarely trade it, so I will trade it at a small size, but to me, it's looking nicer than gold. Squeeze out any early sellers here. Kind of what I'm thinking.
Aaron, real quick, would you compare and contrast the two, the personalities between NQ and gold? Any similarities, the volatility, any things that are completely different that you've noticed?
Same. I mean, they move different in their own intraday characteristics, but overall, I do find follow the same sort of thing that I look at. Price coming up to grab some previous highs or lows before having the real move and squeezing out any early buyers and sellers. So the liquidity way that I trade, yeah, they move pretty similar. Gold requires more patience, but I think NQ requires you to be more fast paced on your feet. But yeah, similar characteristics overall. Oh, there's that squeeze.
All right, closing in overnight VWAP in the Nasdaq, 25,640 last trade. Overnight VWAP up to 652. ES finding some buyers now as well. We're buying here 68.48. Nothing crazy, but at least a bit of a stronger green candle. The first 7 minutes to New York session. And how's the count short crude from 60.68. Short 5. Oh, rejection in the NQ. Up at 25,646. Back down to 25,610. Interesting. Okay. Take a look at the ladder. Nothing really jumping off the ES ladder. What about the NQ? I got a hard lot down there at 592. 592, about 30 points beneath. We'll just wait for see what kind of speakers. Anything coming up? Again, Williams scheduled to speak 15 minutes ago. Still nothing there. We do have, again, Paulson, top of the hour. What's going on this morning? All right, sellers coming back in. Buyers stepping right back in. A little choppy. Market needs to make its mind up right now. We did see some buying off the look at gold now.
Yeah.
Buyers back up to 41.34. 41.35s now. Holding bid. So, Jacob, you see this price action NQ. Pretty choppy. Can't really make up his mind just yet, obviously. I mean, you take the trades about, 30, 45 minutes into the New York session. When do you really start getting a sense of which way you're going to be leaning, whether it's a longer or short? How close? Or
yeah, like you said, maybe.
Do you have a sense yet? Do you have a sense yet which way you're going to go? Or at what time into the New York session do you really get a sense, okay, I'm leaning this way, I'm leaning that way?
I will say around 10 maybe. I will know, okay, more likely going this way or this way. But for now, I'm just staying patient. There's a lot of manipulation right now, and we don't know yet where we're going. And so, yeah, I'm just waiting, sitting on my ends, and collect data.
Excellent. Live Fund Trader Jacob trades with us. Aaron trades as well. NQ, a little indecisive right now. Gold trying to hold bid again. I'll bounce off 41.29, back up to 41.35. 41.35. Aaron, they want to know, where are you located now? He is a trading nomad, travels the globe. Yes, travels the globe. Trading. Where are you now?
We're in Barcelona now. We left Italy last time we jumped on. We're in the Italian countryside. Now we're back in Spain, back in Barcelona for the next month.
Very good. Saw Messi was out there. Messi was out there.
Yeah.
No, I saw that. Selling coming in here in the ES and the NASDAQ. And rejection. All right. And NQ's bit of a 10 a.m. He is talking 10 a.m. Eastern. When he's talking 10 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah, sorry.
Jake,
yeah.
It's okay. It's top of the hour. Top of the hour is when he really starts getting dialed in. And waiting for Williams to begin. And then we have Besant to speak about. Where is it? I was looking at the wrong schedule. My apologies. There's not that many speakers today. It's a Fed holiday. Nope. Scratch that. That's why Williams has to start. That is tomorrow's schedule. Scratch all of that 10-year auction. How could there be a 10-year auction today if the bonds are closed? That is tomorrow. My apologies for that. No speakers.
I'm gonna take a long on gold. I'm gonna start small though. I'm gonna start small. Let me see.
All right, last trade 41.36. What price did you get?
I haven't pulled the trigger just yet. I was just going to my micros. I'm going to see this. I was about to take it. I'm going to see this 5-minute close. I'm going to get that 15-minute close coming in as well. So I may as well wait for that 15 to confirm and then potentially buy this next 15.
All right, last trade 41.37 in gold. Yes, and Nasdaq pretty muted. Right off the bell, we did see a pop to the upside. That got rejected. Seeing some selling now. NQ 25,600. Buying 1, 2, 3 last 5-minute candles. We have seen some buying at this level, this price. We trade 25,597. Now back up to the 600s. Look at the ES. All right, back down to 68.42. I'm gonna sell this down a little lower. Nothing on the tilt.
All right, guys.
All right, a little extension to the downside in the Nasdaq. About 10 points or so. 25,590.
Getting set to execute at 10.
Such
We're gonna see if this
lows in the NQ around 25,571. So about 15, 17 points.
Looking at the
Go to the
CBD
downside.
or
ES.
Delta.
Find
Buyers
traction
are,
one way or another. And keep an eye on MBT. Someone in the chat did say,
Like, if you had the order flow,
so often micro Bitcoin, MBT, so often crypto, drag equities down with it. Saw a little bit of that last week. Kind of trading together. It didn't seem to be the case yesterday. Something to keep an eye out. Who said that in the chat? If you do see that starting to happen, point it out if you see it developing.
Would coincide with the Asia London session stacking on top of each other like this.
Like
half of
catching a little bit more of a bid in gold. Gold holding bid 41.37.
But that won't provide much of a trade.
BT pushing lower a little bit. New lows 104,375. 375.
I got no level for that top zone.
Look at that 10-year yield. 10-year yield.
I really wanted to close that
Was above 4.12%. New lows MBT.
Make more sense, but
To tilt.
Yeah, I mean, we keep going down and bouncing.
Jacob, so far I'm seeing a very indecisive market in the NQ. That is.
It is very enticing. So yeah, just playing that range right now. We don't know yet where we're going to. We're in a downtrend, so maybe we'll go down from here. We are below VWAP, so yeah, currently just waiting. But maybe shorts look good, but I will be still.
So I'd like this candle to close green, and I'll go ahead and buy.
Okay.
I got a couple zones here.
25,606.
5,606. We close over this
603's trade.
and then I'll be looking to get in.
Nice, lovely 15 close down on gold. Great reaction off them lows. I'm gonna take one small position here on gold. I'd like to get in a much more than this, but I kind of want to see if we can pull back a little bit to get more. I'm trying to play it back up into a new high at 41.55.
Okay. What price did you get?
I got 39.6. Only in one micro. I'd like to enter in this for more.
Okay. 4139.6 long one.
43, 30,
Trade
high.
40, 140.
Monday low longs. Yes, I'm right here.
It was a very nice 15 close. Bounced off this London low actually. We were buying this up in London. It came down, tagged them London lows, broken back above my sort of intraday barrier here. So as long as we hold above this, I think this is looking good to me.
You know, potentially have a sell, but you can track it lower to see.
Yes, Nasdaq.
Yeah, you
Track it.
Unable to make up his
Track it
mind.
lower to trading plan level.
Yeah, I got another level though.
We'll have here in the NQ 25,006. So 610s. Buyers back up to 615s. Yes, we see it up here. Yes, 68.45.
So same thing. And then track it down to the next
Q ladder
level.
very thin.
Yeah, system saying not to sell it. That's what it says. Still didn't even hit
Pushing
TP1.
this higher.
How'd your long end up doing?
It's
Practice.
still lit, but if I would have kept my limit at 25,
Crude?
Yeah,
But $60.87.
Oh, you're fucking limit, man.
yeah.
Don't move that fucking limit,
Yeah,
man.
I'm not gonna move it. Not gonna happen. I would in front of it, but I still.
68.46 last trade
I got him at 60.
in the S.
Yeah, because that's kind of what I got to
Nasdaq
see
25,616.
Like, where I need to get in from our RR to be good.
Yeah, you need to get
Up in
Might be like
crude here,
40.
$60.96. $60.90. Come on. 41.35 last trade gold. Man,
Yeah,
it
it's
is
at 1.6
choppy right now.
My probe, and then once I add in, I can get it to 2 to 1. So that's,
I'm gonna.
Holding here. Yeah.
yeah, once I probe.
I'm gonna see this 5 close. I might get out a little bit early here on gold. It's pretty steep, quick reaction back down here on gold. I'm gonna hold this close. I may cut this trade quick.
Okay.
Yeah, so I probably want to get in 40s.
Right, so we're selling here in MBT 104.
41, right off that weekly zone.
104,380. 380.
Right where I'm in right now. Fucking practice.
Did you close it?
I'm still in. I'm just gonna see. I just want to see this 5-minute close. I think it's usually when it closes this quick, it's not on my true push. So I like to get out pretty quick. But I just want to see this 5 close.
Okay.
May squeeze me here.
Like
I'm only risking $100 here.
All right, very good.
Under that, but we do have
Still pretty. All right, gold turning around here. All right, crude finding some buyers. $60.96 last trade. New session highs there.
There's quite a bit of demand zone.
Q and
Zone
Q.
and,
No in here
Thursday
just
low.
yet. We'll turn it around.
Current high is 48.
We'll test those 41.30s again.
I got path for these
40,
positions.
wow.
Oh yeah, I got it.
You know, yeah, sellers did jump in there. What happened?
That's
I got
fine.
minus $100 there for me.
Okay, yeah, it's a big turnaround there.
If it's red, then the sell continues. And that's kind of where I probably won't be
Still,
participating.
I still like the longs on gold,
Yeah, it's
but
right here to short.
I'm gonna wait for a little bit more here. I'm gonna
I
get
can
30 close in
short
10 minutes
last
as well.
Monday.
Very good.
I do got a.
They are in about 11 minutes.
Last Monday low.
Gold. We were just trading 41.40. They absolutely just slammed on it and making new lows. 41.27 now.
Yeah, that's right.
26s. Nice cut, Aaron.
So I got a spread.
New lows.
48 to 35.
ES got in for
I don't
some.
got a
I'm sorry,
spread.
Nasdaq got in for some new lows.
35 is
Oh yeah, it's gonna sell.
25,580. 580.
Yeah, this shit is going down very easy.
Nothing on the calendar. My apologies
Like,
for.
if you see, like,
No Fed
to the
speakers
left,
today.
My 5-minute chart trended all the way up.
Scheduled
See
at
that?
least new lows.
And then
New
fucking
lows
scheduled
Nasdaq.
even
Here we go.
wider.
Look out the low. 25,567. Took solid 20
Right
minutes
after the
to
low.
pick a direction here. We are selling
Yeah, that's what it's
off.
looking like. All right, that'll be
Yes,
clean.
not
Last
there
Monday, low short.
quite yet.
Spread 4 hour short.
In here. Gold was the
You don't
first to
have-
move.
The level, I have no top side level. I can short
BT.
lower level.
BT making lows, lows, lows.
I can short 570 to 24.
104,165.
Damn, nigga, really got
And
nothing
bounce off
right
there.
now. That's crazy.
Markets
Yeah,
are
you're gonna
jumpy
do it.
right now.
Go back to
Markets
that.
are jumpy to say the
Go
least.
back up.
Bro.
Right back to look at that. Back up to 41.30. Back up to 41.30.
Lemon low.
Ah, that's cheap,
41.27
bro.
weekly
That's
kickoff
gonna make it
high.
tradable.
Weekly kickoff high, and we did see the buyers come
Because
in.
you're going right into Tuesday low.
41.30. Crude
Path
caught
least
a
resistance to the
bit.
upside. This is the bottom of the gap. This is
We got
what's going on.
$61 even, about 2 cents off of that.
Ah, man.
With it being set up like that.
Oh. Headline from Goldman here. This is
25.
headline from Goldman. U.S. non-farm payrolls likely shrank by 50,000 rolls in October. This is gold. Again, government shutdown. Did not get non-farm for September and October. Goldman coming out saying likely lost 50,000 jobs. It'll be minus 50,000.
It's 450. So that's not a key
Let's go through here.
Okay.
It did make the. We just see the Nasdaq
trade at the price line.
pop some new lows there. ES couldn't quite get there. Still trading 68.40.
I'm gonna buy one account and just do it always. Or watch it close on 5, but that FOMO shit. That FOMO shit,
Okay.
dude.
Bro, you can like I said.
25,005.
Bro, Jesse
Oh, man.
doesn't specify what. Bro, you can use the one. As long as you're implementing something.
Crude holding bid right
All
now.
it's gonna do is give you a little.
All right, Jacob, coming in the top of the hour about 8
Ain't necessarily
minutes.
gonna make this shit right or wrong.
Yeah.
It's gonna have it where you got a system to
Still
where you're
not
not
s-
guessing.
Can't make up their mind. I only think really catching a move BT.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do nothing here, but I'll be setting a limit last
Pulling
Monday.
around
low
the
short
lows
off the
right
spread
now.
for path of least resistance to the downside, and I'll be taking this shit all the way to previous day low, close to like
Oh,
this.
Nasdaq making another push lower
No
here.
remorse. Yeah, you going right into demand level. We got some divergence shit going on. This is
Sold
gonna
off
be
25,571.
Yeah.
4,100 people watching all across the globe right now. Aaron Trade, star of the London Open, 1:30 a.m. Central Time. Gold trading extraordinaire, also tipping a toe in the warm waters of the NQ. Jacob Trades, live funny trader from. Yes. Please click subscribe. Please click thumbs up. Please click bell.
Low.
189,000 subscribers yesterday. We're on the march to 109. On the march to 200,000 subscribers. Thank you kindly.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
Hey, Mo in the chat. Whoa, in the chat. Past 350K combines today. Let's go. Well done. Today you did? Markets, how'd you do it? Give us your secrets. It has not been easy so far. We got
Yeah, he just getting short. Yeah. See what happens.
pretty wide open calendar.
Yeah, I would just watch
For the
that.
50-50
It's gonna
on
be
the
at same
tilt.
thing. This is gonna close red, no spread at 39. Entry will be at 49.
1,570.
Yeah, this is fun.
Oh, come on, daily odds. Be nice.
Go ahead, man. Buy
I'm making another push to the downside here. ES trying to
Anything that kind of makes sense here.
sell off right now. Micro Bitcoin MBT
Buyers gotta step in.
grinding lower. Grinding
Short
lower.
right here don't really make sense if the Nasdaq's
See
right
you
at
drag
the end.
equities down with it.
on EQ.
6840. Very indecisive right now.
Your path of least resistance. Your path of least resistance.
Yeah, I like your math. The unknown trader, just 811,000 more subs to 1 million subscribers. That is correct. That is absolutely correct. Let's see if we can get 811,000 subscribers today. I'm sure you scratch our back, that will scratch you. More selling might be coming in here at the top. 5 minutes to the top of the hour. You might be seeing some selling.
Yeah.
And Nasdaq is getting heavy.
Yeah, that was the opening ass trade.
Jacob, what's your read so far? Obviously, you've seen a little bit of selling. Selling's met with
Yeah.
some.
I like to
buying.
go with the trend. So, yeah, we went down
49
during
high,
Asia, during London, and
65
now New
total
York.
high was
We
fucking
manipulate higher
54.
here at
They took
believe
that- took that over that
9:40
high.
for
Still
me,
playing
EST
aggressive
time.
there.
And right now we're going lower again. So most likely
5
play our
minutes,
short,
man. 5
but-
minutes.
I will still be waiting.
Jacob, when you say manipulate, what do you mean by that? Manipulates
It's
higher,
too close,
manipulates
CO.
manipulates lower. Can we go to your chart? Show us what that
Yeah.
means and what it looks like when you say manipulate.
Don't let me miss my flight.
Most likely at around
No.
opening. So for me it's
Come
9:30
on, what? Don't do that.
EST
bud.
time. We tend to manipulate in a direction
Wow.
and go towards the other direction
Last
during
6
the day.
minutes.
So that's why I don't trade maybe the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes of the open,
Limit
because there's a lot of
35,
manipulation and
35.
price
I gotta go
more
30,
likely
we
to
have
wake out
48.
some direction and go to the others.
Were you
So yeah, I'm just waiting, being patient,
that
and
far away? Or
really
close
want
enough?
to
Can I see far that far?
collect data and wait for price to show me, okay, which way we want to go. That's why I'm always waiting maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, just so price can settle and have a better read, I will say.
43.
When you say manipulation, you're seeing a lot of market orders coming in, no trend
Yeah.
really forming, no real direction. I see. Okay.
Exactly.
Let's get the
good.
27s. It's going.
Oh, we're seeing that play out right here as we catch a bid in the ES coming up to essentially the session high 68.48, 68.49, highest price we've seen now. 50s print. Hit the buy button. See how 50, 68.50. Buyer stepping in the NQ as well. 25,622.
This one of those instances where the path of least resistance changes.
68.51's in the ES.
Yeah, ES is bumping.
He just made a low.
Yeah.
Go to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ with about a 70-point turnaround. Just tapped on some new lows. In the NASDAQ, 25,560 would be that price. Just to see it pop all the way up to, oh hell, 25,628. Crude above 61 bucks. Gold, I cannot figure out gold to save my life, Aaron. It's a
All right, yeah, I'm at the
little double over there. 41.33. 41.33. in gold.
Trying to it's trying to hold these lows. I do like this area. I'm wondering if this is going to be one last grab the lows to try and push up. I guess what will confirm that for me
confirmations at
um,
so just,
would be I like a closure back above 41.38 ish.
literally this.
If you get back above there, then
you know what I'm saying. So
it will require a little bit of patience. But if we do get back above there,
stop
we
on
have
the
gold
CO,
longs up
you're gonna have to
into
put it where you can-
some new highs of the day. It's just 170 ticks. So
I'm
I'm more than happy to wait for that. So if we can get back above, I do like this trade, giving it a second chance, but not yet. It could get a little bit choppy around here.
Just go where you gotta
if we
be.
can get back
you know,
above, I like
fuck
it.
Okay, 41.38 would be that price. You bought 37s the first time, so essentially, let's see that same kind of setup play out if it does present itself. Gotcha. Oh, last trade 41.34.
I do like this NQ long though.
If I take this shit here, I'm gonna be right there. I'm right under the level, and I'm not trying to do that. But
Let's see if
that
we can
might
break
cost
out.
me the
Got to
trade.
break out one way or another. Top of the hour in about
That might cost me the trade,
50
that's fine.
seconds. 50
I
seconds.
gotta be under. I'm not gonna buy this shit
You're
at the high
indecisive
of
right
it
now.
on the close. Like for real, if it's gonna continue to go up, it's gonna go green. Red first.
ES trying to hold bid. Jacob, you say I know you, Jacob. You like to go with the momentum. I don't know which way the momentum is going right now.
Red before green.
Me either.
So good. I can't
You
figure
see
it
how
out.
good that
We're seeing
5-minute close? It's like, yeah, set that limit, bro. Let that bitch catch you. We got all the
That's okay.
confidence we need here. All right, 4-1.
all right, the ES trying to stay up here on
All right, I'm set.
68.51. Light volume right now.
I'm set at 45.
Overnight highs in the ES up
You
around
can't-
68.56.
I'm right here. Come on.
Momentum is
I might
bearish
take
for
this.
gold. They're saying in the chat. I could see
48.
perhaps why, but well, it depends on what time frame you're looking at.
Come on, baby.
If you look at the 5
Take
minute.
I'm taking a small play here on micro NQ.
47s.
If it squeezes me out, I'll never trade NQ again.
All right, I got it.
Famous last words. Did you get long?
Got it.
Yeah, I'm long at 2150, two
I take it
micros. I like that Audi close. To me, the Audi
Yeah,
close is
I'm at
worth.
48,
It doesn't
so
work out. Who
35.
cares? To me, it's a
My
nice
limit was at
price. I'll give it a
45.
try. Risking some of the London profits.
25. I'm
like
sorry,
that
one more
now.
time in the
Lower,
NQ.
come on. A little bit lower.
Sorry,
Little bit
25621.5.
Very good, very good.
All right, I gotta get in.
Just hold my view up.
Order
right
filled.
now in the NQ. Points beneath ES. Pulling back a little bit, 68.47. They pop all the way up to 52s. I'm talking about the ES, of course.
Shout out to 4 hours.
Some buyers right now.
Got my
Chat is fired up today. Chat is
candle
fired up.
signals on
For absolutely love the passion. Love trading. Love Top Step TV. Love our traders on here. If you're not razzing us, that means you don't love us. So please let us hear it. That's what we're here for. Jacob, have you taken heat? Have you taken heat from the chat yet, or you still Everyone's still loving you because you're popular around here. You know, it's a badge of honor in the chat. Takes a couple
Yeah,
shots.
that's fine.
It's all part. They're just having
Yeah.
fun. It's all
To
a
be
little
honest,
fun.
I don't really look at the chat.
That's a
I'm
wise
just
man.
trying to do my thing.
Good man.
That's it.
Good man.
Wise man.
So I'm looking at the low of the 4 hour that just closed.
All right, can we get another push to the. What's your upside target, Aaron? Long from 2621.
I'm looking for. I will manage around these highs around 55s. To be honest, I like it. If we can get some volume, I like it back up to 25,700 if we can get the volume. But my management point will be around 25,655. That potential liquidity level would be. I'll manage my risk around that.
All right, 655.
But if we-
655. Okay.
If we stall around and we don't, because I kind of look at this and I go, okay, cool. You know, you came down, you tagged the lows, you've had a decent breakout. So if this volume doesn't continue, then I can manage pretty quick as well. But I don't want to get trapped in this range too much. So I kind of want to see this 5 start to drive pretty soon, otherwise I can start to maybe manage the risk.
The least resistance gonna be the upside from that close. That 68.45 limit.
Chat's hilarious.
47.
Yeah, very quiet on the calendar today. Goldman coming out with a headline. Again, this is about 20 minutes ago. Goldman saying U.S. likely lost 50,000 jobs in October.
All right, 68.43.
Yeah, he's saying the U.S. non-farm payrolls likely shrank by 50,000 rolls in October. Honestly, Goldman saying they know that. Look at what is that? Who's doing dishes back there, Aaron? If you don't mind.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Yeah,
Oh, good. Perhaps we can work the mute button. It's all good. I know you're in a trade right now, so you got juggling a lot of balls, spinning a lot of plates.
Every
6 a week.
time. Like, yeah, every time. Like, if this fails, this 4 hour low gets hit.
Jacob,
then
did you
I'm
read the
taking a
chat?
loss every time. If
Did you
ever
do
see
chat
something
where
you're not
like
supposed to?
this,
No,
COM,
just
you do
Aaron.
4 hour
You
low
made
on
me
these
laugh.
markets
Like,
and it gets flipped.
I'm
So
sorry.
I lost. Straight up.
What did he say? I missed the joke.
Nah,
Is it because you're in the queue?
he didn't say anything. He just you were funny telling the person stop.
Oh.
That's it. So
Sorry. Sorry about that. 50-50 on the tilt. Aaron's still long. From
If
621.
this 5 minute does close back below here on NQ, I may cut it as quick. I don't like this price action.
Yeah.
I don't like this price action. 15 was nice. 15 tag lows, closed nice and bullish.
Yeah.
But I may be aggressively managing it. Let's go up to.
And chat, yes, it looks like we'll have it may perhaps.
Only one trade here, man. 68.35.
68.44. Too bad. House account still short. I believe house account still short the crude from $5.60 68 cents. Still taking a little heat, but it is micros. The beauty of micros.
Big breakout bullshit.
Well, it's already fucking like backed up, like.
Beat the 600. Jacob.
yes,
Looking for the momentum. Where is the momentum? Which way is it?
Andrew. To be honest, right now it's just choppy. I don't know which way it will go.
It's okay.
Going to the upside, downside. I don't have a clue. I'm just waiting.
Very
I
good.
want Price to give me
I'm out there, thank you.
direction.
Yeah.
Because right now I'm not quite sure. Like 5 minutes we are bullish, the next 5 minutes we're bearish. So I don't know.
Could we see a long down here? I'm just
You gotta be there.
perhaps looking at the 5 minute. We have seen some buyers. Anytime we get beneath the 25,600s, obviously we have gotten down to the 560s, I should say.
Let's keep it there, 'cause it's looking heavy.
I believe I will go long if we go above again this VWAP. I want to.
Hopefully it's good.
But right now it's not looking good for
Oh
long.
my god.
Just waiting because it's just like in the range, just choppiness.
About to get
So
fucking stopped.
that's why I asked
What the fuck was
if we're in a
that,
bank
bro?
holiday
God
because
damn,
I don't
these
really
niggas
want to
is
put heavy risk.
Oh,
If,
Look
shit.
at that.
Wow.
yeah,
Mark
that's
Miller just
crazy.
came in. More selling coming in here. Hello, more selling coming in here in the NQ.
That break will
About
form.
50-point smash right there. ES talking about
I see that
10-point
shit. That was
smash
like
right there. We'll take it.
quick
Well, we
blood,
can get it.
liquidity snap.
Yeah, that's
ES
good.
just making some new.
Yeah. Sellers just dropped dick.
Let's
Sellers
see.
just took control.
We're
Yeah.
gonna see some movement and also slippage. Very, very likely.
Cookie Monster.
Very likely
boys.
in the NQ. So be very careful there.
That was crazy.
And setting stops.
Excuse me.
Nice cut, Aaron.
Yeah, good quick close there. I was like, if we don't drive in this 5, then it's not a true liquidity gap. I probably would have managed. So yeah, happy to take the quick loss there.
Man, caught me by
Absolutely.
shit, bro. By a hair, bro.
2005-4. All right, well, the buyer stuff back in here will be more push to the downside.
Yeah, guys. COM just got crushed.
Straight up
What I
market
said.
order.
That COM get crushed. I'm
Yeah.
out. I mean, it did appear that
That point
the
smash
downside
right there.
had more
In the ES, we were trading
after
44s.
just had that
Took it all the way
44.
down, made new lows at
I
68,
trade the
24.
higher time frames over everything. So
Yeah, man.
yeah, you might have got stopped with that.
Yeah, I got stopped out, bro.
That's what did it.
Yeah, get ready for tomorrow. It's a holiday, so
Headline from the UK. UK suspends some intelligence sharing with the United States. Yep. That did it. But hey, thank you. All highs, everyone. So we do in the chat. Always looking out. Watching each other's six. UK is concerned over the legality of military strikes on both.
yeah, it's low.
Gold.
Shit, bro.
Gold still down.
Yeah,
And
was
gold is
absolute-
trending right now. Good
That was
call.
absolute bullshit.
Chat. Well, I'll show you on today's session, the 5-minute. New lows gold, 41.24.
Good work, team. Good work, T.
It's just no follow through. No follow through in the equities. That's what makes it tricky.
Yeah, that
I guess with gold
Nah, it's bouncing back. That should have been enough stops, bro.
yesterday, I guess we start to look at this daily, and that
Bounce back. That, shit
that
was
4150 is a
bro.
very
My
big
limit's
resistance
32,
level.
my
Could
stop's
this pull all the way back down to 4,100? I mean, it's looking pretty possible now. I wouldn't really want to sell it against yesterday's close, but from just a neutral standpoint, yeah, I guess we could easily back.
Yeah, I didn't see anything come red on the channel.
Okay, markets. Jacob, no trade. Aaron, a couple of paper cuts.
I didn't see nothing
Nothing
on the camera.
significant.
That was
Markets surely
bullshit.
trying to find their footing. Well,
Just waiting.
let's take a look at some of our other live funded traders to see how they may be doing so far today. Okay, not bad. Alexander up $10,000. Thomas up 10,000. Samuel R up 9,800. Dakota.
That'll happen. Alright, good.
Make sure you
Another one.
keep Green Days green. We'll check back in with them throughout the day. Let's see how the leaderboard does updates.
5 did close back over one of my levels, but
Look at that. All the longs that got stopped. Who got long down there? Did we get long in the equities down there? Back up. Right back up.
usually if that's cool if that's enough. That's cool if that's enough. It's either enough or that's a sign. That's a sign. That's a sign that sellers.
There's no trend. There's no real follow through just yet, right? Market's just trying to find its footing. A lot of volume being traded in this range. And look at the ES. We're talking about anywhere from 68.40 up to 68.50. Call it 68.48. A lot of volume, coiling. You get out of that range, might see some follow through, but
playing level, bro.
if emphasis on if.
Do that every time, man. Yeah, because that's like my
Catch the longs down there.
situation. COM.
37s. Nice job.
That's like where that. Nah, I just wicked right under it. It just wicked right. under
Question in
it.
the chat from Raul Bautista. Are these guys entertainers or real traders? Real traders. 'Cause they're not taking a lot of trades. That's what real traders do in markets like this. They take a couple of losses quick
Time will tell.
and not trade when the markets aren't really giving you much opportunity.
Yeah,
But
overall,
hey,
good risk.
we can entertain you a little bit along the way.
Fresh at balance, so we 1 hour down. Ready to take this shit again tomorrow.
You click subscribe. That's the only way you can chat with us. So please click like as well. Click that bell if you'd be so kind, Raul. But we'll see. Maybe we can continue continue
That's
to
fucking
keep us out of
CNBC.
trouble here
Niggas ain't got no more
on
credits,
this
so.
Tuesday.
Yeah, it's no headline for real. Sellers is just taking back control, bro. That this
bid.
fucking 4-hour
One
candle
bid right
just
now.
invalidated the
Back in the range again, bottom of the hour. We
invalidated
will...
the
Oh, Thomas
CLM,
W.
fucking continue
Fast forward, some on the leader.
already doing on the 4. Just continue the downtrend. So I'm expecting this to be a loser, but good trade, man.
Yeah.
Chat, are you enjoying this type of price action? Are you staying out of trouble?
Last ditch effort. We
Go
can
squeeze
get
out some
over volume right
profits.
here, 41 and shit, man.
Could be both. Tradertainment, as we call it.
Yeah, see, we are over London
All right,
low.
Jacob, we're about
Hazel
45
low,
minutes.
but we're
45 minutes into this thing. Let's trade no trade right now.
No trade. I'm still in this. Still
Indecision.
waiting. Indecision. Yeah, sorry for my language,
it's okay.
but
Absolutely. No.
yeah,
Good execution, man.
Well, it's
still
like-
waiting.
Maybe we can get a little decisive. We got those pinned to the top of the chat. I've already 45 late on this one.
Part of the
Producer, like,
business
come
you're
on,
gonna
Trey,
take
get together.
L's.
Pinned to the
Only
top of the
thing
chat.
that's,
Those top step
not a
daily
part of
levels. Click on
business
that
is,
link.
not a normal
Or do you
loss.
one better? Click on that
So
indicators
that is
tab at the
over
top
your-
of Top
your
Step
risk
X
rate,
and
so
type in Top Step daily
it's
levels.
within risk parameters, and you
Have
plan
those.
to
Those are
trade.
updated and refreshed
You know what I'm
before
saying? Really
every
nothing you can do is, but that's where probabilities kind of kick in.
levels
so.
right there on your charts.
saying?
Top
So
Step
that's
daily levels.
good.
We got updated,
Good
refreshed
stop
before
area.
every
I'm
New
still in the
York.
trade. Got wicked out of my stop.
Investopedia in the chat says, "Don't look at the chat." Well, Investopedia, how can I read?
Didn't get stopped, so
Great advice.
a little bit better. Than
How can I read that
yesterday.
advice? If you don't want me to look at that advice,
Did
I'm
come in,
confused. You're
with
confusing me
context
there.
price to the
I know what you're saying,
downside,
though.
but it's with that 4-hour
You
candle.
appreciate it. Well, stay locked in.
Buyer stepped in
For
and got
markets to
swamped
give
on
us
a higher
some
time
sort
frame,
of
then I'm about to
movement.
get crushed. But that's the play. For
I'm
me.
sure they do, man.
It's looking like it.
I'm good.
It's looking like it,
126 last trade. Aaron.
bro. That's not that deal, bro. That's good work.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Did
you-
Make quick work.
It's
at
okay.
it.
That's fine.
No.
When I'm wrong,
I'm
yeah, I got niggas out.
I'm still waiting here. I do still like. I kind of came into New York session happy to risk some of my London profits. I was up 300 a day. I've taken
right back.
one winning trade and 2 losses and still up on the day. So I'm happy to give something another chance, but only if it presents something good. Gold's still squeezing low. I do
Leading, bro.
can see gold from any point right now. So gold's probably a good sign just to be a little bit.
Like tick short over there. That was
I still like these NQ longs, but I don't like its price action. So I'm gonna wait for now. I'm gonna wait.
That's where the best location was.
Aaron, you need to do $5 more, so you have a winning day.
Whoop-de fucking do.
I got what? $3 to make it to get that $150 green day.
Yeah.
Hit another daily key level to the Tuesday high, and then bounce right back over Tuesday.
I love it. Chat's fired up. All right.
Just a
15
lion
minutes till the
dust.
bottom of the hour. What happens then?
Dust
Oh, we
ball.
get our
If
initial
I come
balance
in and
high
the
and
Lions
lows.
leading, it's like yeah. The outcome.
Figure that out.
Usually, I mean, I'm disattached anyway from the outcome.
What do we
gotta
do with
be?
it?
But
And initial balance high, initial
once
balance
that
low.
motherfucker do that, it's like
Highest
yeah,
price
this
and lowest
is-
price in the
I'm
first
knowing my
hour
situation,
into the
I'm just not in control.
New York session right now.
Not in control.
Once I'm susceptible to the fucking.
So we haven't seen
Yeah,
open
bro.
like this.
It's really freaky fast, bro. It's really freaky fast. But yeah, last Monday.
5-minute candle just opened. See if you want to pick, but right, ES closing.
Yeah,
2
pumped
points
up
off
there.
session
Pumped
low,
up
68.37. We did see that big, call it market order.
Price
Just call
need
it
a high of
2 pounds.
50 and fucking
Big market
shut
order
down,
came in
bro.
sell side. Absolutely smoked the ES down about 10 points. Same with the
10
NASDAQ.
points.
Pretty new lows. Couldn't get the follow through. Snap back up. Is the market like this because of the holiday?
Yeah, I mean, we had. Yeah, we're under.
So it may be for now, right? For now.
Yeah, this trade is
The
fucking
rest of the
done.
world is over. It's just the bonds. Bonds are trading.
Done.
We're still trading.
Yeah, that was masterful how they did that.
Yeah,
it's looking like-
yeah, I mean, the pressure was there. The sell pressure was
Jacob,
there.
you
Sell
are a
pressure
momentum
was
trader
there.
for the most
Yeah,
part.
Sell pressure was there. It's
Yeah.
been there all night. It's been there all night. And it's like we're hoping that New York.
No momentum. No momentum. No trades. You perhaps
That
look
was
to
the fucking
you'll shift
good.
gears into or adapt into range.
It's like the best trade. Even with us coming in early, it's like, damn.
present,
just getting
you know,
ass
to
in.
play.
So
play.
yeah, it's like even for the
You know, I guess what I'm saying is if there's no momentum, there's no clear breakout one way or another. Is it just no trade?
Time, bro. This shit is like
Yeah,
it's like, oh,
my
what
A
did they
plus
do?
setup,
Okay,
I
flip it.
want
And
price
that's
to
right.
very
You feel me?
trend
Like,
direction. So right now,
you gotta figure out that flip,
I
like,
can
the
see
difference between
short
the
playing
big
out,
and the
but
shit
will
is
like
nasty.
more
It's like,
downside.
New York
So
didn't
it will
come in
be
and make any
a
progress.
confirmation
Like,
for me
London and Asia
that we
continue
go
doing what they
lower.
doing, yeah.
But
That's
yeah,
like
short can
exactly
still
what they
play out very good here.
Yeah,
Still
true,
waiting,
really, yeah.
still collecting some
All
data,
the degens.
and I will pull the trigger
Soft
soon.
Bank sells its entire stake in Nvidia for $5.83 billion. Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
I mean,
is.
I don't know about clearly. Is it clearly? Okay.
Not clearly, but
I
I
would say
can see.
clearly. I can
Nah,
see
not-
perhaps why. Well, we're
I
trading
can
on the
see-
lows, so fine.
Yeah,
I mean, we're okay. I
exactly.
got it. Yeah. Clearly, it's not exactly like
Order filled.
exactly just smoking the lows. It was printed there in the ES. Maybe it will be clearly here. I don't know. New lows ES 68.33 quarter.
That was fucking terrible. Yeah, that was terrible. That was terrible. Yeah, you can't close out. This shit's ass. It's done. Bro, I just took my
Lows
$500 loss.
there 25,550 in the
Yeah,
NQ.
broke that shit.
I'll tell you, we're clearly
broke
Oh.
SL4.
downtrend right now.
Stop. Yeah, hopefully I hold you, bro.
New lows and gold 41.23 half. We still in.
All right,
I think
guys,
the house
I'm up
count
outta
is
here, man.
still.
This shit is- oof.
It's going
Good work,
short
though.
from
Good
$60.68
signal.
in
Take the
crude.
risk. And yeah, I'm out, man. Fresh, balanced, another delta down.
MBT popped right back
Ugh.
up.
Dust.
See, Darnell wasn't clearly.
Gonna go ahead and sign out. Get ready for tomorrow. Early day for your boy. 10:18. Took a 1 hour loss on this account. 1 hour loss in
1 hour in
Rose
12
account.
minutes.
Still in
Big holiday.
Nasdaq long, but it's looking.
Well, seems
foggy
to
as hell.
like the 4120
Looking
area.
right now, so
4124 last trade.
French warfare out here, boys.
Still-
Stay safe, man. Trade safe. Low volume.
Aaron, when
trades,
did the. Remember we were stuck at 44,000, you know, give or take 40 upside. What we broke out what
Yep.
on Monday? Is that when the breakout happened? Or was it on Friday? Something changed.
It was on